Manual self-serve car wash equipment. In Australia, there are 4 common types of car wash machines. 1. Manual self-serve or jet washers. 2. Automatic rollovers or brush washers. 3. Touchless. 4. Conveyors or tunnels. In this video, I am going to discuss the features and applications of self-serve equipment. Self-serve car washers are a DIY car cleaning option for customers. To protect users from the elements, like sun and rain, they are typically located inside separate, covered wash bays. From a wall-mounted control, the customer chooses their time and wash requirements. Self-serve equipment can be adapted to include car underbody washing, motorbike and bicycle cleaning, boat washing and outboard engine flushing, and much more. This equipment is available in a number of design configurations, making it suitable for public car wash businesses, car detailing businesses, automotive dealerships, rental car companies, commercial wash sites. For more information about self-serve car wash equipment, contact us directly or visit our website. Goodsite, Australia's leading suppliers and installers of vehicle wash equipment since 1968. Visit goodsite.com.au.